Bubaare Innovation Platform shared that the community has earned over 80 million Ugandan shillings from the milling machine since its installation. However, Atuhaire pointed out that inconsistent power supply remains a major challenge to the operations. Local residents have expressed their satisfaction with the machine, noting that it has significantly reduced milling costs and improved access to essential milling services in the area.
Bakaba batwire turasera habyoma bya burijo ebirahongoka ninga bitari stillness konke kuba kituretira bayuri kuba kituretire cyayamba abantu kucencure sano kinahara cencure sano aharazamo mucucu kandi nebyoma
kitakije turasera ho hareho twaza mu tabuni mwe twakwata turazanki amashanyarazi gakibura turonda aho generator ziri tubariho twasera muno mu town.
It has transformed so many lives because it has given us jobs. People who make these clips are able to get jobs. It has also given us the morale to go and plant more Irishes, and we as extension workers, we've been working with these people to at least make sure that the Irishes they plant, they are of high quality and high yield.
During a visit to the platform by Uganda Industrial Research Institute's Executive Director Professor Charles Kwesiga affirmed the institution's commitment to supporting Ugandan investors working to uplift their communities.
Innovation platform to add value to their produce. Kigenzi being known as an agricultural area where we grow a lot of sorghum, a lot of maize, a lot of wheat. Wheat, it's not so much, it's on a small scale, but we have a lot of millet. So we looked at if we provided this technology, people will add value to their produce, thereby improving their livelihood in terms of securing employment for the people around.
The Bubaare Innovation Platform has also ventured into other ventures, including a savings and credit scheme, as well as the production of potatoes, climbing beans, sorghum and honey. The community is also involved in packaging red sorghum, maize flour and potato crisps, diversifying their income sources.